take your text marketing to the next level with a short code from Easy Texting. A short code is a memorable 5 or 6-digit number your brand can use to create more engaging and effective SMS campaigns. By pairing your textable short code with a specific keyword like loyalty, you can create an engaging and memorable text opt-in campaign to grow your reachable audience. You can also pair a short code with different keywords to conveniently group respondents for future targeted messaging. In text marketing, your number is your identity. A short code can make your number easier to remember and increase the likelihood that your audience engages with your text campaigns. All short codes are dedicated short codes, as they are dedicated to the one brand using them, which means faster send speeds, increased security, and no keyword restrictions. Short codes are available as vanity numbers, which are memorable or meaningful numbers you choose, and at a savings, random numbers which are chosen for you. It's no surprise, Easy Texting makes claiming your short code simple. Our team of experts will work directly with wireless carriers to provision your number and get it up and running in no time.
Try it free today at easytexting.com/start.